Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix limp mode in a Chrysler 300. First, understand that limp mode is a safety feature. When your car enters this state, it limits engine power and speed to prevent further damage. Your dashboard will likely show a check engine light. The very first step is to safely pull over and turn off the ignition for a few minutes. Once you've restarted, if limp mode persists, it's time to investigate common causes. Check your transmission fluid level. Low fluid is a frequent trigger. Next, inspect engine sensors like the speed sensor or throttle position sensor for any signs of malfunction. Sometimes, a simple loose or corroded wire connection can be the culprit, so examine visible wiring harnesses. After checking the basics, you might need to look deeper. A failing transmission control module, or TCM, is a common culprit. Also, a clogged catalytic converter can restrict exhaust flow, triggering limp mode. Don't forget to inspect the throttle body for carbon buildup or electronic malfunctions. These components are vital for proper engine operation and require careful examination. To potentially reset limp mode, try disconnecting your battery's negative terminal for about 15 minutes. This can clear temporary fault codes. However, for long-term prevention, regular maintenance is key. Ensure your fluids are at correct levels and all sensors are functioning properly. Remember, consistent care keeps your Chrysler 300 running smoothly. Also, check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.